He's just inching along.
Aww. On his hand. Inching around. He's so cute.
On his shoulder. Makes him happy.
Jesse Winston. Inching along.
So we're out here hiking to Devil's Market Arch that is near Frenchburg, Kentucky. And literally coming down this trail, I've never seen this many mushrooms in one place that wasn't the grocery store. Absolutely incredible. Chanterelles on every side, corals. I've seen some oysters on a tree, and also let's see, what else have we seen? Rusula out here.
Amazing moss.
But let's show you the terrain. So what we have is what looks to be a Jeep trail where you would go mudding, but it takes you down to this arch. We have been going, we're at the halfway point, and if I had to guess, we are probably going to reach about 2.5 miles just one way. So here's the fam in the background. And just so you know I'm not making it up, look at these. So we are surrounded by mushrooms. Absolutely incredible. So let me spin you around, and you're going to see these blue arrows on the trees. So you're going to follow that. That's your blaze. And like I said, we're heading to Devil's Market Arch. It's going to be pretty cool. It looks to be a arched rock formation, kind of like in a square. Just to show y'all what we're looking at. We're coming down through the woods here, in the middle of nowhere, and we're looking for this.
Sarah, turn around.
So this is what this area is known for. These rock formations and arches are all around this area. And if you can see, take a look down here, this formation just juts out of nowhere in the middle of the woods. Like, if you look down here, we're just on a ridge in the mountains. And then, all of a sudden, this just pops out of the rocks. Absolutely unbelievable. It's almost like you expect the Pueblo Indians to be sticking out of here. So like I said, we are out here at Devil's Market Arch. You can see it right behind me. We are on family vacation from Greenville, South Carolina to here in Frenchburg, Kentucky. It's about 6.5 hours to get here. And there is, if you ever want to do this hike, there is what appears to be a fire road at one time that would have, then now it's like a mud and Jeep road. That you're just going to bounce down that road, and it takes a little while. You're probably looking at about 1.5 miles trekking down a muddy road to get here. We did find there's a field mouse that lives in here, and actually 2 mice. My son says he's behind the camera. He don't want to be in the film, but we're out here with the family, and like I said, you will never find as many mushrooms as we have just a couple miles of hiking. So this is absolutely worth coming out here if you're in the Kentucky area.